My legs feel heavy for the first few minutes. Then they just loosen. The same stretch of sidewalk I walk all the time has a new crack near the curb. Small, but easy to spot once I look down. A bus sighs to a stop at the corner and takes off again before I get there. The morning air is warmer than it has been the last few days, and the back of my neck catches the heat first.
The ember stirs, the morning calls. Curiosity moves through it all.
You're joining me on the Ember Walk, where curiosity meets motion. I'm David Dysart. Together we'll take a few minutes to step through one idea that shapes the craft of enrollment. Maintenance is real work. Not filler work, not cleanup, not the thing you get to if the important work is finished. It is the important work. A lot of teams love building because building is visible. New report, new workflow, new score, new message stream, new idea with enough shine on it to make everyone feel forward moving. Maintenance does not give that same hit. Maintenance is quieter. It asks you to revisit what already exists, look at it honestly, and admit where it's drifting. It's a lot less fun. It's also where quality lives. Scores drift, source fields change, messaging gets stale. A rule that made sense one cycle misses new nuance and practices the next. Small assumptions stack up. Then one day, people act shocked that a process they trusted now feels off. It did not turn overnight. It eroded because no one owned the upkeep. I've made that mistake more than once. I overinvested in building and underinvested in checking what I had already built. I told myself I was moving the work forward. What I was really doing was chasing novelty because revisiting old logic was less fulfilling. Then something broke that should have been caught weeks earlier. And suddenly the maintenance I skipped came back as urgency. It's a stupid trade. I know, because I've made it. If you want durable work, you have to treat review, cleanup, retesting, all the small corrections as part of the build itself, not after. Inside it. In the same way a forge needs tending, not just heat. There's one place where institutions tend to fool themselves. They celebrate launch and ignore sustainment. Then they wonder why the system gets fragile. The team gets cynical, and every cycle just feels like starting over with tools that should have matured by now. Maintenance is how things mature. So here's the direct question today. What system are you still trusting because it used to work well? A score, a workflow, a message series, or even a query library? Or have you let familiarity stand in for inspection? What needs a maintenance pass before it turns into someone else's emergency? Let your spark speak, and let us know in the comments or DM me. What was that one thing? And how does it feel to tend to that flame? Keep that small crack in mind today. It's easy to miss if you keep your eyes forward and your pace up. Upkeep starts when you're willing to look down before the ground gives way. And that's the Ember Walk. The forge is yours now. Go make something worth the heat.
Step by step, the spark will talk. This is the end.